Hello everyone, I'm Lindsay from Happy Hour Stitches, and I'm so excited to unbox my new Missouri Star order for you all and show what I got. I'm very excited about this order, so let's open it. Okay, first up, I had to treat myself to a new coffee mug. Here, isn't this so cute? And then the other side says this. This is just gonna be so cute to just have when I attend my Zoom meetings and screen. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to drink my morning coffee out of this. This would also make the perfect gift for any of your quilty friends this Christmas if you're looking for any. Here, oh my gosh. How cute is this? Okay. Oh, I'm so excited for this. So I got myself an embroidery kit from Cozy Blue Handmade. I have been wanting to learn how to do embroidery forever, and I'm making in our dining room a little cute gallery wall, and it felt like it needed something handmade, so I'm hoping this cute little hooped little kit will be a nice addition to that wall. And I'm also traveling later this month, so I'm gonna bring this along just to have something to do while I'm sitting at night visiting with family or in the car, so I'm excited to start this. Okay, well, if you've been watching my unboxing videos for a while, you know that I ordered one of these, where's the front? Quilt storage bags, just to test out to see if I loved it. And I loved it. So I ordered 4 more. Let me explain these a little. So these are just for storing your finished quilts. And I have my quilts just stacked in a closet, and the organization was getting a little out of control. So I wanted to try these out, and they were fantastic. So this is the king size. So it's meant to fit 1 king size quilt in here. It's breathable, so it's not gonna cause any mold or smell issues when you store your quilts. I love that it has this window so you can see inside, so you can see exactly what it is. It has a nice little handle so you can transport it. And what I actually did is I want to store my seasonal quilts specifically in these little bags because I get those out once a year to decorate, and then they go away. They go back into storage, and my closet was a little unorganized, so I would be looking for quilts for different seasons, and I don't have to look in multiple piles and under different things. So I actually just put my 4th of July quilts away, and I fit them all in one of these bags, the king size one. So it fits more than you think it will. And my 4th of July quilts this tote held 3 throw quilts and 3 table runner smaller projects that all fit in one. So I could just put all of my holiday quilts on the shelf in this bag, and now next 4th of July when I go to decorate, I will just pull this off the shelf and I can decorate then easily, and I know where everything is. So I got 4 more because I'm gonna need some for fall, Halloween, and Christmas. So I'm just gonna slowly buy these as the seasons pass and get completely organized. When I put my quilts away each season, they're gonna go in these bags, and my closet is gonna look amazing. I can't wait. Okay, I got another thing of batting. We all need batting. I'm having a summer of finishes, so I've been finishing lots of quilts, and so I've been going through a lot of batting. So I'm stocking up on this Missouri Star batting. It's a really nice batting. It quilts really easily. I quilt everything on my small home machine, so it's amazing for those quilts. Okay, and then lastly, I got the Tri-Rex rulers. I have been wanting these for a while just to easily cut more triangle shapes. I otherwise have to print out paper templates and use those to trace, but I'm so excited to have these so I can cut triangle shapes more easily. So that is my order this month. If you are shopping at Missouri Star, go to the video description because there is a link for you to get 20% off your entire order of $50 or more. So make sure you take advantage of that, stock up on anything you've been wanting for a while, use that discount code. So thanks everyone for tuning in, and I will see you later.